guys, it's Game Coconutty, and I'm with Frank with and my friend Taj.
How you doing, lads?
And
Mate, how you going?
shush, you don't have to speak.
Shut
and
up.
we're going to shops. Centennial Shopping Village. Over 20 specialist stores. Scrumptious. Suck zoom in on. Oh, there's some people here. I'm careful. We're gonna go cut over to when we're at the shops. Oh, I don't know if you can even see me. We're gonna cut over to we go to the shops. Yeah. Oh, still got nah. And we're at the shops.
Wait, I want to watch a video. Not too bad. Your feet stink. Go away, John. Why is it? Go away, your feet recording.
Alright, Taj's feet stank.
Hey, Graham.
Tasha's smelly feet.
She's not here. Don't you miss me?
Tasha's such smelly feet. I'm coming over here.
Yeah, I'm thinking this time.
Coming over here because Tasha's smelly feet.
Put your feet that way. No.
No, don't put them up there. That's where people eat.
That way. That way. Yes, that way. Keep it that way. It's so
The hell
dirty.
was that? Come on.
Sam's on his iPad. Jack's on his phone.
That
focus on his iPod.
This
He's recording. How dare you? How dare he record? How dare you?
Hey, dare
You don't
you?
even have a channel. Shut up. I don't care. So you shut up.
I've reached my milestone of 10 subscribers.
And Jack's still in the cross tag. Let's get a closer look up on that.
Go away.
That
Go away.
Let's look at the cross tag. Oh no, he turned off the
Like my sister.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you like my sister.
No, I'm not.
Always pretending that you have a YouTube channel. Hello.
You look different now. Uniform, I didn't recognize you. You're not different than any of the previous.
Yeah, I don't even know what this video is. We'll do one more transition. And that will be the end of it. And now we're on a tractor. Oh, I dropped it. Sam's got the cinematic view. Alright,
And there's a retard on
Jack
the
sitting on the tractor. Let's do the best part of the tractor. World today.